Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the canvas. Wash with sulfate-free shampoo and dry to about 80% so extensions hold. Once done, create 1/2 to 1 inch horizontal sections, clipping the rest up. Position the first weft at the nape, make sure it sits flat against the scalp. Apply tape or clip and press for 15-30 seconds to bond. You do this because a clean, slightly damp base and precise row spacing prevent lifting and give a smooth, bridal foundation. Continue by staggering wefts 1/2 row apart so seams are invisible. Alternate thin and medium wefts to mimic natural density. Once all wefts are placed, check balance and only then trim. This prevents overlayering. You should point cut layers to blend extension ends into natural hair. It softens the line. If you use heat, set tools at appropriate temperatures, 140–160 degrees C for heat-safe fibers, lower for delicate human hair, because controlled heat sets the style without damaging bonds. To finish, style gently with soft hold spray and a curling iron to blend texture. Make sure not to apply heavy oils near bonds because they weaken adhesive. Inspect every seam. If you find a loose weft, press with a fresh tape strip or resew using matching thread. This restores hold without redoing the whole head. Pack a touch-up kit with mini clips, spare tape, and a small comb so you can fix any issue during the event. If adhesive lifts, clean and reapply immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.